Hello and welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Kayla. It's me, your homegirl Kayla, and tonight I am showing you guys how I make vegan meatless sloppy joes. But before we get into all that, please make sure that you smash that subscribe button if this is your first time tuning in to this channel. And if you already rock with your girl, make sure that you got that notification bell on. And without further ado, let's get right into this recipe. So tonight I'm being a little lazy and I'm using frozen peppers, but honestly truth is I sent hubby to the store and this is what he came back with. So this what we got, y'all, but it turned out perfect in the sloppy joes. And just so you know that I will have all of the formal stuff posted down below in the description box. So if you want exact measurements and everything step by step, then be sure that you check out the description box. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get on with this video. So as you can see, I'm seasoning my peppers. I just find that adds a lot of flavor. This is Creole seasoning, Tony Schaefer's, you guys. That's probably my most trusted seasoning. It's like all purpose. I use it on everything. I mean, like, it's addictive and I use it on everything, even salad. So after you go ahead and get all that seasoned up, then you're just gonna start stirring it up and mixing it all together. And the water from the bell peppers being frozen actually turned out to be perfect. I didn't even have to add any water until the next step. You'll see. I like to add the garlic closer to the end because it burns like really easily. So I just added that like at the end of it. Okay, so this is what I meant by letting all the water cook out of it. This is how I want it, and now I'm just adding a little vegetable broth because I want flavor. Water does not have flavor, so if you want flavor, then I suggest you use vegetable broth. And the the directions for the Better Than Bouillon is on the bottle, or you can just use vegetable broth, you know, in a can or jar, however it comes. I put tomato paste because I want it to be thick, and this is basically the base of the sloppy joes. If you find that it's a little too thick, because maybe you put a little more tomato paste than the recipe calls for, kind of like I did, then just add a little more vegetable broth or some water to thin it out. But remember, water does not have flavor. I highly suggest that you use vegetable broth, you guys. And again, I'm using some soy sauce. And if sodium is something that you're watching, these things come in low sodium choices, so that shouldn't be an issue. Now the syrup. I'm using table syrup, you guys, but maple syrup is what it really needs. Like, that's the one thing that I noticed in this recipe is the maple. It seems like it would be just the secret ingredient. So I would suggest you using 100% pure maple syrup. But if you don't have maple syrup, then just try it with whatever you got on hand and drop me a comment after you do and let me know how it comes out, because maple syrup is very pricey. Now, as if I don't have enough tomato sauce in there, I'm just going to add a half a cup of good old ketchup to the mix. Just dump that off up in there, stir it up. This is looking so good. It's making me want sloppy joes all over again. Now after you cook that for a little while, then you're just gonna add your lentils to the mix. Make sure that you drain and rinse them, you guys, because straight out of the can they will be kind of soapy like, and it's just not a good look. So yeah, so add the lentils and then we're just gonna mix this up, and it's all gonna come together just so wonderfully and delightful. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed these sloppy joes. Now it's on you to make sure that everybody knows about this recipe and that this video is live. So please make sure that you share my videos, you guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you hit the like button if you want me to keep on making these types of videos for you guys. And until next time, be you, stay true to you, and do what you do, baby. Bye.
You get me?
Yeah.